Here are 5 of my favorite engineering projects that have been inspired by nature. So first up is Japan's Shinkansen high-speed rail train system. These trains were facing an issue where when they'd go through tunnels, there'd form this really compressed wave of air here, and it would pressurize, so when they moved through the tunnel and hit the exit, there'd be like a mini sonic boom at the end, which would disturb everyone around them. So then the engineers were introduced to this little man here, the kingfisher bird, who's known to dive into the water at speeds of like 25 miles per hour and make almost no splash. So the engineers took a look at his little beak right here, and they were like, hey, if they can dive into the water with a beak like that and make no splash, then if we put that on our train, we can get through the air with no sonic boom. So now all their trains have this little snoot shape here on the front, which helps decompress the air in the front by guiding it safely over the top. And since they've done that, they've been able to reduce the air resistance of these trains by 30%, which has led to a 13% power savings. Next up is one of my favorite buildings ever, the National Aquatic Center in Beijing, which you can see is inspired by the shape that bubbles make when they sort of like, get together. So the